kg. This one, 2 liter concentrated, equivalent to 6 liters na siya. So, sobrang bango yun guys. And today is Laba Day. Ayusin ko lang din, isasalang ko na. Happy holidays to me. Using Carrefour detergent guys. Before, nag-sale siya. I think ilang months na namin ito ginagamit. Nag-sale siya for 60 dirhams for 15 kg. So since the color and maninipis lang, we'll do it 18 minutes. And we will use this Downy, our favorite. Now I can take my breakfast, but I don't know what to take first. But there's no tomato chutney guys. I like the most dipping sauce, our partner. And everything is tomato chutney. Let's open this. I think it's sambar, but I don't see any vegetables in it. Yeah, it's sambar because it has now. I saw the vegetables now. Do you hear the ambulance? I think this is the curry. That's why there's no tomato. I'm gonna finish this heavy breakfast. Let me check if I'm allowed to eat now. Yeah, I'm allowed because I took tablet 30 minutes before breakfast. I need to take. Oh my gosh, see this? This is looking spicy and oily. Not good, Panala, not good. And this is tomato chutney. Sorry, this is coconut chutney. See, because I love tomato chutney. This one, I don't like the taste, so I will not open. This is idli, guys. It's like puto. And you just need to dip it. I think this is best partner with the curry. There's a chicken. Maybe I will learn how to prepare tomato chutney, guys. Oh, let's try naman yung dosa. Late ako ng gising guys. Late ako ng gising guys kasi late ako natulog 11. Pero nagising ako mga 6:30 or 6:40 bago sila pumasok. Tapos nakatulog ulit ako. Pag gising ko mag-8 na. I supposed to walk, but I will walk later afternoon, I believe. I need to walk and move my body. So mamaya na lang. I think masala daw sa pala to. Little bit spicy. Not a little bit, spicy talaga pala. I'm here na sa baba ng buildings and building. Dami kasing building sa paligid ko guys. So I'm going to J7. Makikikain na ang taxi. Oh, it's been a long time and a half. My just on the 3rd floor with this one dessert. Open. So fresh naman. Say hi, Mima.
Hi, Mima.
Hi, Bossy.
Hi, Foxy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Papi.
Do you love Mommy?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Do you love Mommy?
Yes. Shell.
There, yeah.
Shell.
Where is baby?
Tito, I'm ready.
Yeah, Tito Adre. Where's Tito Adre?
What are you doing here? I said go outside.
Binandyan yung ano ko, diba? Salamin. Nagulat ako sa kanya.